Okay, here we go, just like yesterday. I know it says lesson 3 at the top, but we are back here with Skills 6, lesson 4. This is about the story that we read yesterday. So pause here and discuss at least one of these questions with your child and see if they can remember what they read yesterday about kids' hats. Okay, moving on. Here is our oral review of sounds and chaining. Okay, so here is the list that you are going to use. Okay, if your child is having trouble just saying the sounds, I want you to keep them using the cards, using these words. Okay, and if your child is doing pretty good just listening and blending them together, I want you to keep doing it this way. Okay, so pause here and resume when you're ready. Review of sounds and writing the sounds. It is good to mention that you want to write your name probably once a day. And now we are moving from our first name only to our first and last name. So if you want some of those sheets, let me know and I will get them to you. Pause here, review of sounds and drawing the sounds. Resume when you're ready. Same here. And back to our alphabet. Eventually we are going to move past having this daily review of alphabet letter names up. So you want to definitely be sure to go through these. If we're still having trouble, go through them in order first and then pick a few out to say again to make sure they get that repetition they need. Okay, and the video of this, oops, hold on just 1 second. Alright, some workbook pages. Okay, single is one. With one pan, one hat, one kid. Okay, plural is more than one. So, pans, cats, kids. Okay, so some of those sounds are going to be a S. Okay, and some of them are going to be a S or a Z. Okay, pans, hats, kids. Cool. It's worth mentioning. We were talking about that the other day with the word is. Okay, so here is our workbook pages. If it sounds like a S, as in cats, we're going to write it under here with the kittens. And if it ends like dogs, like a Z, we're going to write it underneath the puppy dogs. Okay, same thing on the back. And this is a good time to do partner reading. You can do any of the stories that we have already done this week. You can move on to the next story. I've posted that as well. And then you can go back and forth reading with each other. Okay, and then we will see you back here for lesson 5 tomorrow. Have a good night.